Hello and welcome back. In this video, basically, we're going to learn about the foreign key constraint. If you remember in a previous video, we have already created an employee table with all these attributes. If you have not seen the video, I'll be sharing the link of that video in the description. So now our employee table is already ready, and now we want another table that is called as a project table, which we have to make, and we have to use the employee ID, which is a primary key of the employee table, as a foreign key in the project table. So basically we want to link those employees which are working on a particular project. Okay, so for that what we will have to do, we will have to create a table which is project. So the syntax remains same. We will be creating a table. So syntax is create table project. What are the attributes of my project table is we are having project ID, we are having project name, and we are having an attribute which is called as an employee ID, which is, as I said, is a foreign key. So as we can see, project ID, again, it's being a primary key. We have used a data type serial. Project name, which will be the name of the project, like, what the project is. So it is going to be varchar. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, this should not be here. It's my mistake. Yeah. Um, hmm. And then we have this employee ID, which I said is going to be a foreign key. So remember how to write it as a foreign key. We write it as constraint. This is a keyword that we use. Okay, constraint. We will write the name of the constraint. It is not necessary of to give such a big name, but we normally give it FK stands for foreign key between the table employee and the project. That is why the name of the constraint is given so big. Then you say it is a foreign key, like how we write primary key, we write foreign key. Then let me tell you, there is no underscore between foreign and key. There are two different words. In bracket, we write the name that has been used in this table. So we are using it as the employee ID. So we will write the same name here. References is again a keyword. We are trying to tell from which table have we taken the references. We have taken the table from employee. So if I can see, the name of my table was EMP. So here the name, I have written the name of the table. And in the table, it was called as EMP underscore ID. Now, let me tell you, in my both the tables, it is called as EMP underscore ID. That is why here also I will be keeping the same name. If you want to keep different name, then what you can do is you can use a different name here. Okay, instead of calling as employee underscore ID, let us say if I want to use employee ID, I can do that. But in references, while giving the name of the table, I have to call it as what it is called as in the original table. So this is how we create a foreign key. Now to run it again, we just have to select it and we have to run it. Okay. If everything is right, you will get a command. Let us see. It is saying the table is being created. Okay. And this much time. So this is how we create our table with a foreign key constraint. Let me tell you, there are three keywords. Constraint. Okay. Please see the spelling properly. Then the keyword that is foreign key, and the another keyword that is called as references. So this is all is needed to make a primary key as a foreign key in another table. Thank you so much.